Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
I'm a master dancer.
Thank you for your time. Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Pigeon racing only.
Thank you for your answer. Hi Anika, what do you do for a living? Ang dami ng kotse oh.
Jay Junjun, Anika.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Meron ko ng talong.
How much is talong per kilo?
35 po. Pero kayo po kikilas.
Okay, order kami. Thank you. Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Sorry?
What do you do for a living?
Tambay.
Tambay? Ano masasabi mo sa lahat ng naglaro? Lahat ng naglaro ngayon, Leia?
Malalakas.
Malalakas.
Malalakas na player.
Cheng Richie in the house.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Jer! Ano masasabi mo sa lahat ng naglaro ngayon?
Hi, fans.
Hi, fans.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
I'm fine, thank you.
And,
Salamat sa suporta.
and what do you do for a living? Macho dancer? My goodness.
Hindi pa nag-inig.
Teng teng teng. Teng 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 teng. Hi sir. What do you do for a living?
Ako lang, Tamiya Racer.
Tamiya Racer for a living. Shout out.
Shout out kay wala.
Okay, wala. Racers from Iloilo. Ay, Ross ba? Ross is represent. Hi sir, what do you do for a living? Namamalekta ng pera.
in the morning. Dancer na domi na talaga.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Wala, tambay lang. Palamon tayo.
Mag-live ka tayo comment.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Bakit pa ang living? Unat lang.
Living things. Papa, what do you do for a living?
I'm a Lalamog driver. I deliver the trophy na ayokong bayaran. 500 lang ni traffic na ako sa Elix. Ayokong bayaran.
Ton pa.
Ano, wawa naman. Hindi pa ako pinakain. Gutom na ako.
My goodness, birthday race, walang pakain.
Birthday race, walang pakain.
Taitana.
Painumin na lang kita ng gatas ko.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Tamiya for life.
Tamiya for life. Billiard.
Billiard. Where?
Professional billiard player. Laban natin kaya nito.
David. Kaya na, Mr. Suksuk.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Sawadi ka.
Sawadi ka. Thailander pala ito, Thailander. Bossing, what do you do for a living?
Nagnanakaw minsan ng hold up. Pag wala naman,
Tambay-tambay na lang. Thank you sir. Boss Jun, what do you do for a living?
tambay.
Tambay, pag walang tambay.
Tamiya.
Thank you sir. Sir, what do you do for a living? Tambay din. Ang dahil pala tambay ng speed tech player. Pag walang tambay, ano yung gagawa nun? Lolo. Thank you sir. Sir, mga seryoso ka dyan. What do you do for a living?
Master of disguise.
Master of disguise. Matindi ka pala. What do you do for a living? Tapos na. What do you do for a living? Yun. Mga 6-digit paycheck. Hi Sir Chris, what do you do for a living? Nothing pating. Ayun. Gabol. Hi sir, what do you do for a living?
Nothing.
Hi sir, what do you do for a living? Astronaut. You went to the moon?